we got it in anyway.
Yep. See, if we'd had that dolly, we could have moved that other one last night. We should have went and got my son's dolly is what we should have done. He's got a dolly. Tim does. That's how he's going to move those refrigerators. He's like, I got a dolly, Mom. I can do it. But when he would have had to take stuff off, he'd have been like, oh, shit, this is too much work. I don't want to do this. I'm leaving. Now, he'd have stayed and got it done, but he'd have bitched a lot. Because he's like that. He gets it from his mom, I think. You think? Hey! You're not supposed to say, uh-huh. You're supposed to say no. You're supposed to say,
I said,
uh-huh. I know what that meant. You were like, yeah, he just probably does get it from you.
Top engines don't come out. So, want to get the bottom set? Yeah, just scoot.
Yeah.
2, 3, 4.
Right there. Right here on the thermostat on the wall. Right here. Over here, come closer. Closer, closer, closer. See that wall over there? Look.
oh, it's over here.